Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to create gradients in Adobe InDesign. So before getting started, we have to make sure we got these three panels working on our workspace for a smooth tutorial: swatches, color, and gradient. In case they are not there yet, just like on mine, we have to go to Window, click on color, and these are the three that we need. So let's click one by one to activate them. And lastly, swatches. All right, now let's go ahead and create our gradient. From the toolbar, let's look for rectangle tool and let's draw on our page. And then let's go back to the toolbar and click selection tool. We have to make sure we are clicking or selecting our rectangle. And then from here, let's go to Fill on the color panel. Select any color that you want, and then just click OK. So there you go. And then let's go to the gradient panel and click the gradient bar. So from here, you'll see the standard black and white gradient. Now to add our swatches, just go ahead and go to Swatches panel and click any swatch that you want. All you have to do is drag and drop them on the gradient bar. From here, you can add multiple colors and just do the same thing, drag and drop. Now, once you're happy with the color choices that you have, you can go ahead and adjust the gradient parameter on how you want them to look like. And that's it. That's how easily you can make a gradient in InDesign.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.